Hey, what's up? I just wanted to make a quick little video about how to magnetize the new Tyranid Biovore and Pyrovore kit, because I haven't seen anything online and I just want to help out a little bit. So this is the main body of the Pyrovore. You want to get that magnet. Let me see if I can get this webcam to focus. You want to get that magnet kind of back on this lower tail piece. Just kind of like about in the middle. There we go. It's a bit scuffed since it's my first time at trying to do this, and I was just trying to figure it all out. And then on the biovore cannon, you need to do a little bit of drilling, but you can get it into that bottom tail section. Got it. It's real scuffed in there, but magnet's there. And then this is the pyrovore cannon. You want to kind of tuck it in low, and it's got a little gap in it, but you need to drill just a little bit because the gap isn't big enough for the magnet. And then after you do all that, you can pretty easily just connect them up to the body, and I mean they'll hold. That's the pyrovore cannon. Here's the biovore one. They'll hold on there pretty strong. It's only 3 small little magnets. I have the army painter ones, so I think they're like N52, but they did the trick, and I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.